it's Megan, and I'll be reviewing my portable ring light. So my two favorite things about this ring light is one, its size. It's super small, so it's easy to travel with, carry around. And two is that it's portable. So right now you can see it's plugged into its USB cord, which is what charges it. But you can, once it's charged, take that plug out and it will run by itself. So no plug needed. So you can see I just turned it on right at the top there. There's three buttons up here. We have the power button, which also adjusts the lighting tone. And then we have the up and down, which adjusts the brightness of the light. So if I press the middle button, the power button again, we get different shades of light there. So depending on what kind of light you want or you're in. And then our two side buttons are going to affect the brightness of the light itself. Now you can see it attaches to my computer just with a little clip here. It does have some padding there, so it hasn't affected my computer at all with it being clipped up here. I usually just do it very lightly right at the top. I try to connect it right on the top bar there and kind of balance it on this side bar here. And it does come with that USB cord, so you can charge it. I find that mine holds its charge anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. I really like this ring light. It's super handy, super portable, and I hope you like it too.